Why do 60% of new PC users still try to defragment their SSDs? It sounds helpful, but it's actually the opposite. Let's break down what's really going on. Alright, let's start simple. SSD stands for solid-state drive. Unlike old-school hard drives with spinning disks and moving parts, SSDs store data on tiny memory chips. Think of it like a super-fast, high-tech USB stick welded inside your computer. That means, when you open a file, there's no waiting for a disk to spin, it's almost instant. Now here's the catch. Back in the day, defragmenting your hard drive, a process that reorganizes files for quicker access, was a must. But SSDs don't need that. In fact, defragmentation can actually hurt them. Here's why. SSDs can access any part of their storage instantly, no matter where the data is. There's no fragmentation problem to solve. But running defrag makes your SSD do tons of unnecessary read and write operations, which wears it out faster. Remember, every SSD has a limited number of writes before it starts to degrade. So defragging just wastes those precious cycles. So if you want your SSD to last longer and keep your computer speedy, skip the defrag. Let your operating system handle the rest. Modern systems already know what's best for SSDs. Bottom line, SSDs have changed the game. Old habits die hard, but this is one you can happily leave in the past. Hit subscribe if you want more simple tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.